Dem first ever live performance on All Out Sundays is a revelation. Now we've seen how vocally demanding Dem is. And based on SB19's dance performance video, we can say that it is physically demanding as well. So, sa kanilang first ever live performance on All Out Sundays, maiisip mo talagang baka may isasakripisyo silang dance choreo para hindi mapektuhan ang kanilang pagkanta, lalo na't they will always sing live. Pero, iba talaga ang SB19. They have proven once again why they're called P-Pop Kings and the standard for live performances. Hindi pa ito ang kanilang concert, but they've already given us powerful vocals and powerful choreo.